Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mamfeli and today we're going to be talking about Imadlanga Commission. As we all know that we were expecting Major General Shibiri to testify in the morning, 9:30 a.m. We did not see Major General Shibiri. I'm not sure whether Ubekona or he was notified that there will be some glitches. But in a nutshell, the legal team of Suleiman Karim came with some documents requesting that they want him to testify behind the scene. Fine. Who is Suleiman Karim? Suleiman Karim is the businessman, Northwest region, who is also a ANC associate with regional structures. We would hear Brown Mokhotsi talking about this Suleiman Karim. The main reason that links Suleiman Karim with this political infiltration or the political involvement with justice system are the WhatsApp messages that they got from Vusumuzi Matlala. So it is said that Suleiman Karim has been a middleman between the senior politicians, because on the WhatsApp messages there is a message that states Vusumuzi Matlala is asking Suleiman Karim to speak to Usenzo Mchunu to consider him about the 360 million tender. So the reason why Imadlanga Commission is calling Suleiman Karim, they want him to come and clarify all those things, because now he is implicated in all these criminal connections, SAPS, the judicial and. Okay, now as the South Africans, we want to know why Suleiman Karim engafuni or he is not willing to come to Imadlanga Commission. You remember that he went to High Court to block so that he anga testify Imadlanga Commission, but the court dismissed that and he was subpoenaed to appear before Imadlanga. He is due to appear on the 9th and 10th, but today, as illegal team came, they wanted him to appear behind the scene. And Imadlanga Commission or the commissioners are saying this does not make sense, because when you went showing your face to High Court to stop the Madlanga Commission, ukuba bakubize uzo testify, and then uphinda futhi wafika kwiMadlanga Commission with some papers, postpone udinga ke postponement with your legal team, and then now you want to appear behind the scene. And then what the lawyer said is that he has been receiving death threats. His life is in danger. His family life is in danger. So he is not willing to show his face publicly. So the Madlanga Commission or the commissioner's concern was that what difference does it make now if you are receiving threats before you testify? Does it have any weight or any choice? So he got this lawyer who was bragging about, hey, my phone is ringing. okay, no, it's finance minister, but I'm not going to take that call. And we were like, oh, please now. Really? So he wanted us to see that he's got connections with the big guys. And when they came, I mean, they came gun blazing. We are going to get this. But in any case, Imadlanga Commission said, we're going to meet you on Monday, and then we will decide. But as things stand, Suleiman Karim will appear publicly before the Madlanga Commission. There won't be no in camera, meaning that behind the scene. So we don't know what will happen on Monday. We are looking forward. And now about the witness that was supposed to appear today, Major General Shibiri, asas indoba when he is going to be afforded a chance to come, because you know that ishedule yabo is very tight now. Kusekhona no Fani Nkosi, witness F, that is supposed to testify, and was this a sick note stating that he has been admitted. So he's also scheduled to appear on the 16th of March. So yeah, that's what happened today. And the entire day, his legal team, like Suleiman Karim's legal team, was debating with the commissioners. And you know how Umama Ubaloi is. She said, it cannot be, you know how she says, it cannot be that there will be any difference when he appears publicly testifying about all these things, because he also went to court showing his face. So we'll wait and see, people. If you want us to discuss this further, let's meet on the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.